What is database? A database is an organized collection of related data stored electronically so that it can be accessed easily and managed and updated. So it means that it is simply collection of related data together. So for an example, student records in college, bank customer accounts. In a college student record, we cannot mix the bank customer accounts. So it means it must be related with each other. This is the simple concept of database. Now, what is DBMS? It is a software used to create, store, manage and control database. And simply, it helps to insert, update, delete and retrieve data easily. So, DBMS is a software which is used to manage the database. And this is the basic functionalities of the DBMS, but it is actually work in a very huge manner. Like it will execute the query, it will recover the database from the crash state, and also it will maintain the security as well. Some example of DBMS are MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server. These are some example of relational DBMS. And example is here, a college uses a DBMS to store records, source student details, update marks and generate reports. So this is the basic fundamentals of DBMS. Now let's see the level of DBMS architecture, or simply DBMS architecture. This shows the high level DBMS architecture. So first of all, first one is the external level. So it means it is a view level. It means it describes how different users see the data. So in a company or in an organization, there are different types of user, right? So some might be the admin, another user might be the normal database user, another user is a manager. Likewise, we don't have to give the same access level to those users. So if user is admin, then he may have all the access, right? If the user is normal database user, then he might have only select access to the database. So it hides the irrelevant data and shows only what the user needs. Here irrelevant data means what user need. So only to those data that needed for the user, right? And example is here, a student sees only their marks, while a teacher sees marks of all students. And another level is conceptual level. This is the logical level where logical schema is used. So it describes overall structure of the entire database, right? So in external level, we are just seeing what user can have access to those database, right? But in conceptual, it overall structure, and it defines the entities, relationship, constraint, and the data types. In example, tables like students, scores, marks, and relationship between them. Now next is the internal level. It means physical schema. It represents how data is actually stored in a database and how data is stored on disks, and it uses the B tree or hashing to access those data. Now you can see this is the normal diagram in the tree level architecture of DBMS. So first one is the external level, and where we can what individual users see, and in middle part there is a conceptual level, and last one is the internal level. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Thank you.